Journal of Science Innovations and Nature of Earth, International, double-blind, quarterly, peer-reviewed, refereed journal, edited and open-access research journal, Journal of Science Innovations and Nature of Earth, JSIANE, is an international, double-blind, quarterly, peer-reviewed, refereed, edited and open-access research journal. The journal is published 4 times a year, with issues released in March, June, September and December. Journal aims to publish original research articles, review papers, and survey studies across a wide range of disciplines, including science, medicine, arts, humanities, and allied subjects. All submitted manuscripts undergo a rigorous, double-blind peer review process to ensure scientific quality, originality, and academic relevance. Submissions must be original, previously unpublished, and not under consideration elsewhere. Each manuscript is assigned a unique identification number, which is communicated to the corresponding author via email within approximately 1 week of submission. Subjects and sub-subjects. The journal covers a broad multidisciplinary scope, encompassing natural sciences, life sciences, medical sciences, engineering, and applied sciences, including but not limited to life sciences and biology, agricultural, fisheries and aquatic sciences, physical sciences, medical and health sciences, engineering and technology, applied sciences and interdisciplinary fields, social sciences, law and humanities. Send manuscript to editor@jsiane.com.